Good morning and welcome to all BSc third year students of Fishery Science in online lecture series of paper 15 Fishery Economics, Fish Marketing, Fish Cooperatives and Extension. In this paper, the second unit we have seen, that is the fish marketing in India. And in this fish marketing, the last or the second last point or last but one point of this unit is the distribution channel. We have studied. In last period we have discussed detail. We have studied detail about the distribution channels, and in these distribution channels are the types of distribution channel. First type we have seen, that is direct distribution channel. Direct distribution channel, the product goods that can be sold direct from producer's point or producer's home to the. In this direct type of distribution channel, the product can be sold from producer's point of view or from producer to the direct consumers or the customer without any intermediaries, without any interlinking or without any middleman. Means the product is to be sold from producer to the consumers without any intermediary, without any middleman, and at that time the product fetch good price, as well as it is to be good price for the consumers, because less price for the consumers and more price for the producers means producers are more benefit. That's why this direct type of distribution channel, these are to be good or the best type of distribution channel to sell their product, sell their commodities from producer to the consumers home or consumers home. But when these product, these commodities, these are to be captured, these are to be in minimum quantity, small quantity or small amount. But when it is to be in large quantities, bulk amount, then this method is still not suitable, because these commodities, these fish commodities, these are to be spoilage commodities, spoilage, and it is to be spoilage which is to be done, and when it is to be spoilage, it can be lost for the producers. Hence this commodity is to be within short time, within a proper time, it can be sold in market, then it is to be good, then it is to be beneficial. Then in the next type of distribution channel is the indirect type of distribution channel. This indirect type of distribution channel we have studied today's lecture. Yes, indirect type of distribution channel. First, direct type of distribution channel, A or B, indirect type of distribution. Indirect type of distribution channel, not distribution of captured fishes. Distribution of captured fishes from producer to the customer indirectly through the intermediate agency. Distribution of captured fishes, distribution of goods, distribution of commodities from producer to the customer indirectly through the intermediate agency, called as the indirect distribution channel. What is the indirect distribution channel? Distribution of captured fishes, distribution of captured fish or commodities or product can be sold from producer to the consumer indirectly, to involving intermediate agency, to involving intermediate man, intermediate linking, and such type of distribution is called as the indirect type of distribution. Means ग्राहकापासून किंवा प्रोड्युसरपासून, उत्पादक जो करता आहे उत्पादकापासून डायरेक्ट ग्राहकापर्यंत नाही, तर त्याच्या मधले जे मिडलमॅन आहेत, मधले जे इंटरमिडिएटरीज आहेत, होलसेलर असतील, रिटेलर असतील, ऑल दीज कॅन बी फर्स्ट purchase the product and then they can sell the product. Means intermediate agency, intermediate linking, these are to be occur, or simply intermediaries, these are to be involved. That method is called as indirect type of distribution channel. When captured fish and fish product, when captured fish and fish products were distributed from the producer to the customer, when captured fish and fish product when captured fish and fish products were distributed from the producer to the customer through various intermediate person, various intermediaries or various linkages. Such distribution channel is called as the indirect type of distribution channel. Such distribution channel is called as the indirect type of distribution. What is meant by indirect type of distribution channel? When captured fishes or fish product or commodities, fish product or commodities, when these are to be distributed from producer to consumer, producer to customer through various intermediaries, various linkages, various middleman agencies, middleman persons that can be involved for distribution of such product from producer to consumer or customer, it is called as the indirect type of distribution channel. And in this type of distribution channel, various other different ways to distribute the fish or fish product by various manners, by various types. This type of distribution channel may through one of the following channel is to be done. Indirect type of distribution channel is to be performed various ways, various manner. Any one type of this distribution channel, these are to be performed. Which are these distribution channel, indirect distribution channel, which is to be have seen below. Yes, the first distribution indirect type of distribution channel is the producer can produce the product, then it can be sold to the retailers, then retailer can be sold to the customer. This is the one type of distribution channel. Producer to retailer, retailer to customer. This is the indirect type of distribution channel, because here retailer is the middleman. Retailer is the middleman, middle linkage. Second type of indirect distribution channel, producer produces the product, then it can be sold it product to the wholesalers. Wholesaler purchase whole product from producer, then these wholesaler they can sell their product to the retailers, and from retailers, retailer can be sold its product to the customers. Means here in this second indirect type of distribution channel, wholesaler and retailer, these are the middlemen, these are the interlinking, or these are the linkages between producer to consumers. Means first producer to wholesaler, wholesaler to retailer, and retailer to customers or the consumers. Means here two intermediaries, these are to be involved. Depending upon these intermediaries, second type of indirect distribution channel. Third type of indirect distribution channel, producer produces the product, then producer sold their product to processors. Processor can purchase the product from producer, process it, then after processing this processor, they can be sold their product to the retailers. Retailers can buy the product from processors, then it can be sell the product to the consumers. Means in third type of distribution channel, producer to processor, processor to retailer, and retailer to customers or the consumers. Means again here is two intermediaries, these are to be involved, that is one is the processor and second is the retailer. Then fourth type of distribution channel, producer produces the product, then producer sold their product to the cooperative society, then cooperative society they can buy the product from producers, and after buying the product from producers, they can sell the product to the customer through cooperative society. Means again in this, the cooperative society is the middleman, cooperative society is the linkage. Means when product these are to be sold, when goods these are to be sold via intermediaries from producer to the consumer or from final consumption, how much intermediaries these are to be involved, these intermediaries these are to be fix the price of that commodity. More the intermediaries these are to be involved in the producers or in the product, more will be the price these are to be occur. Less the intermediaries these are to be occur, less will be the price. Means depending upon these intermediaries, depending upon these middlemen, price of that commodity, price of that goods is to be depends. Price of that commodity goods is to be depend, because more the middleman it can be earn more money, more benefits. That's why price is to be increases. Price is to be increases, and this increased price they can sold their product to the consumers, and consumers can buy, consumers can purchase the product with this high price, with this more price. Means one side consumers can be completely take revenge, or completely it can be specially lost by price, and on another side producer can sell their product to the minimum quantity, minimum price, sorry, more quantity in minimum price. That's why it can apply minimum price. Means both side, one side producer is to be less benefit, and another side consumer is also less benefited. That's why this method, these are to be harmful for both producer as well as the consumers. But there is no chance, there is no way, because these intermediaries, these middlemen, these are the weakest link. Hence I have told in first lecture, what is the weakest link in marketing? These intermediaries are the more dangerous for both producers as well as the consumers. Yes, remember these four indirect type of distribution channel, these are to be seen. Instead of these four, you have also create number of different distribution channel by your own ways, by your own manners. Yes, तुम्हाला जर वाटलं आणखी याच्यापैकी इंटरमिडिएट इन्व्हॉल्व करावायचे आहेत, आणखी ॲड करायचे, तुम्ही ॲड करू शकता, काही करू शकता. इट इज टू बी मोर सच कंडिशन, दीज आर टू बी सीन इन दीज फोर intermediaries or four types of distribution channel, indirect type of distribution channel. One by one we have see, one by one we have see step by step. The first distribution, indirect type of distribution channel is the producer to retailer and retailer to customers or the consumers. This is a short trade channel. This is a short trade indirect type of distribution channel, in which producer instead of personally selling, the fishes or their product to ultimate consumer, sell it to the retailer. That type of indirect type of distribution channel is called as producer to retailer, retailer to consumers or the customers. Means in this indirect type of distribution channel, instead of producer personally it cannot sell, personally it cannot go to the door to door of consumer's home, consumer's house, but it can be sell their its product to the retailers, and then retailers purchasing the product from producer, and this product, these are to be sold to the consumers by a retailer or retailer man. In this type of indirect type of distribution channel, that is producer, these are to be sell or these are to be sold. This is a short trade channel in which producer instead of personally selling the fishes or product to ultimate customer, consumer, sell it to a retailer. It is called as a producer to retailer, retailer to customer. In this method of indirect type of distribution channel, fisherman get cost of entire quantity but price is low. In this method, fisherman get cost of entire quantity but price is low. Customer is compelled to pay high price. Means in this type of producer to retailer and retailer to customers, in this method fisherman get cost of entire quantity which is to be sold to the retailers, but price is to be low. Complete quantity of the fishes that can be sold to the retailer, but when price is to be related, when price is to be discussed, price is to be low. Customer is compelled to pay high price, but when customer get, or at the time of purchasing, customer compelled high price because there is no chance, because these retailer, these are to be increase the price of that product at the time of selling, and producers or especially the consumers, when it can consume it can buy these product, then it can pay high price. Thus entire profit goes to only to the retailers. Entire profit goes only to the retailers. Means when producer it can sell its product to the retailers in low price, but quantity is to be less. Quantity is to be more, but price is to be low. And when same quantity or these fishes, it can be sold by these retailer to the customers or consumers. At that time he apply more price, because in market it's monopoly. No other places the product is to be available, fish is to be available. That's why it can increase the price of that fish. And when consumers or when customer enter in market to purchase the product, at that time he face the problem of high price, and the profit which is to be earned, one side consumers pay the more money, another side producer that is earn the less money. Means those money difference between that is production cost and the selling cost, the difference which is to be occur, that difference these are to be earned by retailers. That's why entire benefit, total benefit goes only to the retailer. And hence in our market, in our country, retailer is to be more stronger as compared to the producers and as compared to the consumer. On both sides, that is producer side and the customer side, have no benefits. Means on both sides there is no benefit for producer, no benefit for the consumers. Means both side, both producer side as consumers, they have lost. Second type of distribution type channel or indirect distribution channel, that is producer produces the product, then producer can sold their product to the wholesalers can purchase the product from producer, then this wholesaler it can be sold its product to the retailers, and then retailers can sold the product to the customers or the consumers. Means in this second type of indirect distribution channel, two intermediaries, two middlemen, these are to be involved. One is the wholesaler and second is the retailer. During this type of distribution channel, fish and fish products are sold out to the consumers. During this type of distribution channel, fish and fish products are sold out to the consumers. This is the traditional channel of distribution. In this traditional channel of distribution, wholesaler purchase the product in a large quantity from the producer to sell it to the retailers, and then this retailer sold out to the consumers. Means from producer to wholesalers to retailers, and retailers to customers or the consumers, the product is to be sold, the product is to be selling. Wholesalers trying to sell all purchased stocks at higher prices. होलसेलर काय करेल, जास्तीत जास्त किमतीला सगळा घेतलेला प्रॉडक्ट काय करेल, विकायचा प्रयत्न विकेल. रिटेलर्स आल्सो सेल आउट द परचेस फिश प्रॉडक्ट ऑन हायेस्ट प्राइस अँड अर्न्स मोर अर्निंग. रिटेलरसुद्धा काय करेल, जितका काही होलसेलरकडून माल घेतलेला आहे, जितका काही होलसेलरकडून आपण प्रॉडक्ट घेतला आहे, हा सगळा प्रॉडक्ट रिटेलरसुद्धा काय करेल, विकेल. कशावर? हाय प्राइस, मोर प्राइस. मीन्स price is to be increased by wholesaler, price is to be increased by retailer. The difference between purchase price and selling price is called margins. The difference between purchase price and selling price, जे purchase price ज्या किमतीला घेतला आणि ज्या किमतीला विकला, होलसेलरने एखादी वस्तू घेतलेली आहे 20 रुपयाला आणि ती विकलेली आहे 25 रुपयाला, बरोबर आहे. तर मार्जिन किती झाला? पर्चेसिंग प्राइस 20, सेलिंग प्राइस 25, 5 रुपये पर के जी मार्जिन झाला. 5 रुपये पर के जी, एका किलोला 20 रुपयाने घेतला, 25 रुपयाने विकला, 5 रुपये पर के जी मार्जिन. same product, retailers can purchase the product in 25 rupees, and this product then it is to be sold to the 35 rupees to the customers. Selling price of these retailers is to be 25 rupees per kg, and purchasing price of this product to the consumers is to be 35 rupees per kg. The difference between these selling cost and that is the purchasing cost is to be 10 rupees per kg. It is to be earned by retailers. Means wholesalers earn 5 rupees, retailers earn 10 rupees. Overall 15 rupees these are to be earned per kg by these middlemen. The product is to be high cost, high price, because it is to be increased from direct how much rupees? 15 rupees per kg. These wholesaler and retailer make up the margin for storage and preservation facilities. These wholesaler and retailer make up the margin for storage and preservation facilities. Thus wholesaler get maximum benefit by selling the product at a good price. Thus wholesaler get maximum benefit by selling the product at a good price. In this method of distribution channel, in this method of indirect distribution channel, producer is at loss because he is totally depend upon the wholesaler. Producer is to be lost, totally it is to be depend upon the wholesaler due to no contact with the retailer, and no one retailer give respond to the these producer. That's why it can be totally depend upon the wholesaler. एक तर हा प्रोड्युसर काय करतो, टोटली कशावर डिपेंड असतो? होलसेलरवर, बिकॉज नो एनी वन कॅन कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ दीज प्रोड्युसर. दॅट्स वाय प्रोड्युसर लॉस. म्हणून प्रोड्युसरला जास्त माल, जास्तीची क्वांटिटी कमी किमतीमध्ये विकावं लागते. हेन्स इन दिस टाईप ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्युशन चॅनल ऑन बोथ साइड्स होलसेलर अँड रिटेलर अर्न मोर मनी दॅन प्रोड्युसर. दोन्ही साईडनं, दोन्ही वेनं प्रोड्युसर आणि रिटेलरमध्ये जर फरक असेल, प्रोड्युसर आणि होलसेलमध्ये जर किमतीमध्ये फरक असेल तर कशामुळे असेल? बिकॉज हेन्स इन दिस इनडायरेक्ट टाईप ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्युशन चॅनल बोथ साइड्स होलसेलर अँड रिटेलर्स आर मोर मनी ॲज कम्पेअर टू द प्रोड्युसर, अँड हेन्स द प्रोड्युसर इज टू बी लॉस. फेर ॲज अदर साइड्स द कन्झ्युमर्स आर पेईंग मोर मनी टू परचेस दीज प्रॉडक्ट. दुसऱ्या साईडला काय? अदर साईड, those are the customers, those are the consumers. It can buy the product, it can paying the more money to purchase the product. Means both side, producer sell its product minimum amount, consumers it can purchase the product paying more amount. Means on both side, producer and consumer, these are to be lost, and it is to be done by this second type of indirect distribution channel, producer to wholesaler, wholesaler to retailers, and retailers to that is consumer. That's why this type of distribution channel is more dangerous, and it is to be more threatening for the fish marketing, yes. And hence in this type of indirect type of distribution channel, these are to be more risky and more benefit these are to be earned middleman. That is, those are the linkages, those are the interlinking these are to be occur, or those are the intermediaries these are to be found from producer and consumer. That's why these interlinkages these are to be destroyed today. This marketing is to be minimized down, it is to be lowering down. Hope you have understood these two indirect type of distribution channel. In next period we have see the next product. Yes, any problem, any difficulty, please you can ask. Thank you all of you.